Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, your friend MLT. Today we are going to understand and discuss about some important MCQ for PMLT, TMLT and nursing exam. So guys, listen carefully this video, and any important information or more video, please subscribe the channel and like, share, comment the video. First question, match the following: color of urine and their causes. First, colorless. Second, milky urine. Option 3, orange. 4, red. 5, greenish. 6, dirty blue green. 7, dark brown. 8, brown red. 9, brown black. Colorless. Right answer I. Milky urine. Causes. Right answer C. Orange urine. Causes. Right answer A. Red urine. Causes. Right answer F. Greenish urine. Causes. Right answer E. Dirty blue green urine. Causes. Right answer G. Dark brown urine. Causes. Right answer H. Brown red urine. Causes. Right answer D. Brown black urine. Causes. Right answer D. Next question, match the following: preservatives and their function. Toluenes, thymol, formalin and boric acid. Toluenes function. Right answer C. Thymol functions. Right answer D. Formalin functions. Right answer B. Boric acid functions. Right answer A. Next question, the preservative used for 24 hours urine collections are: option A, toluene; option B, rhymol; option C, formalin; option D, boric acid; option E, all. Right answer option E, all. Next question, the best preservative used for chemical constituent is: option A, toluene; option B, thymol; option C, formalin; option D, boric acid; option E, all. Right answer option A, Next question, the urine preservative which causes false positive reaction in proteins. Option A toluene, option B thymol, option C formalin, option D boric acid, option E all. Right answer option B. Next question, in nephritic patients, morning samples preserves the formed elements due to its option A high specific gravity and low pH, option B low specific gravity and high pH, option C none. Right answer option A. Next question, urine color turns milky due to presence of option A purulent genitourinary tract disease, option B chyluria, option C all, option D none. Right answer option C. Next question, greenish colored urine is found in option A jaundice, option B phenol poisoning, option C all. Right answer option C. Next question, orange appearance of urine is because of option A urea, option B fever, option C excessive sweating, option D concentrated urine, option E all. Right answer option E. Next question, urine darkness on standing due to option A high specific gravity and low pH, option B bacteria, option C both, option D none. Right answer option A. Next question, fruity odors in urine is due to option A ketosis, option B glycosuria, option C bacterial infection, option D all. Right answer option A. Next question, the product of incomplete fat metabolism are known as option A ketone bodies, option B urobilinogen, option C both, option D none. Right answer option A. Next question, name type ketone bodies present in urine. Option A acetone, option B acetoacetic acid, option C beta hydroxybutyric acid, option D all. Right answer option C. Next question, ketonuria are indicative of option A ketoacidosis, option B polyuria, option C none. Right answer option A. Next question, When glycosuria is more than 2 plus in juvenile diabetes, unchecked ketone bodies may lead to option A coma, option B renal failure, option C heart failure, option D none. Right answer option A. Next question. The method used to detect ketone bodies in urine are A. Rothera test, B. Legals test, C. Pepper strip, D. Diabetic diacetic test, diacetic acid test, option E all, option F A and B. Right answer option E. Next question. The average 24 hours urinary output in an adult is option A 1200 to 1500 ml, option B 500 to 1200 ml, option C 2500 ml to 3500 ml, option D 1000 ml to 2000 ml. Right answer option A. Next question. The urine volume more than 2000 ml is termed as option A polyuria, option B oliguria, option C anuria, option D nocturia. Right answer option A. Next question. Urine excretion less than 500 ml is known as option A anuria, option B nocturia, option C polyuria, option D oliguria. Right answer option D. Next question. Next question. The complete cessation of urine formation is known as option A polyuria, option B oliguria, option C anuria, option D nocturia. Right answer option C. Next question. The condition in which excretion of urine is more than 500 ml with less than 1.018 specific gravity at night is option A polyuria, option B oliguria, option C anuria, option D nocturia. Right answer option D. Next question. Nocturia is observed mainly in chronic glomerulonephritis, renal failure, option C diabetes, option D all. Right answer option A. Next question. Polyuria is caused due to neuritic polydipsia. Option B diabetes mellitus insipidus. Option C diuretics. Option D chronic renal failure. Option E Addison's disease. Option F all. Right answer option F. Next question. The normal specific cavity in random urine is option A 1.001 to 1.035, option B 1.205 to 1.305, option C 1.010 to 1.015, option D 1.05 to 1.010. Right answer option A. Next question. Low specific cavity is found in option A hypocyanic uric isothenuric urine, hyperthenuric urine, option D none. Right answer option B. Next question. Which are the method used to estimate specific gravity in urine? Option A urinometer, option B strip method, option C refractometer method, option D all. Right answer option D. Next question. What helps to measure the capacity of tubules to reabsorb water from glomerular filtrate? Option A pH, option B specific gravity, option C both, option D none. Right answer option B specific gravity. Next question. Urine specific gravity is depend upon option A salts in urine, solvent in urine, option C both, option D none. Right answer option A. Next question. High specific gravity is found in condition like option A excessive sweating, option B glycosuria, option C acute nephritis, option D albumin. Right answer option E. Next question. Next question. Low specific gravity is caused due to option A chronic nephritis, option B ADH deficiency, option C arteriosclerotic kidney, option D all. Right answer option D.